In this video, I'll show you the difference between cut and copy. For you to understand this, I'm going to quickly create a folder. So I'm going to right click on the desktop, choose new and click folder. Now I have a new folder here. I'm going to double click it. You can see the folder is empty. So I will minimize that, go to this folder named my video, double click on it. So I have a folder with all the files inside of it. So back to this folder I created, let's go to this and divide the screen into two. So here I have the empty folder and here I have the folder with all my files. What is copy? Copy simply means that when you copy files or a file, you will have an identical file or folder in another destination of your choice. Now let's use the command copy to copy the files that we have here into this new folder. Okay? Now before you copy, you would have to select the files that you want to copy. So I want to copy all the files here. First, because we have two folders opened, I'm going to select the folder that I want to select files from. I'm going to use the shortcut, which is Ctrl A, to select all the files. Now, I will right click, and that is copy. You can see it. Choose copy. Go to the empty folder, right click, and choose paste. You can see all the files from here are being copied into the new folder. So let's give it some time to copy. Great, so I'll just click anywhere in the new folder. You can see I have the same files I have here, they are here. So what is copy? Copy means you will have an identical file or folder in a new destination, in another destination of your choice. You have a duplicate file. You see, the same file named gem1 is the same file I have here. That is what copy is all about. I'm going to select all the files in my new folder and delete them. By going to this point, click delete. Now, what is cut? Cut simply means you will be able to move the files or folders to another destination. Let's move all the files that we have here into the destination called new folder. If you have two windows open, click on the window where you want to perform the command. So I've selected this window. So I'm going to select all the files here, Ctrl A to select all the files. I'm going to right click and you will see cut. I'll choose cut. Now go to the location of my choice. In this case, it's the new folder. I would right click on it and choose paste, or I can use the shortcut, which is Ctrl V, to paste the files. Did you see what happened? This is our original folder. What happened now? So what cut does is it moves the file or folder to another destination. So this is the difference between copy and the cut command. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Now, to conclude this video, the short key called Ctrl Z restores the file to its original position. So on my keyboard, I'm going to press the short key Ctrl Z. It restores all the files moved to this new folder to its previous location. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips like this. I'll see you in the next video.